Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Split screen enables user to multitask efficiently by having two applications open side by side. For example, you can browse the web while taking notes, watch a video while chatting with a friend, or reference information from one application while working on another. And then, how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the application you want to open in split screen mode. For the example, here I will open settings on my device. Okay, and then to split the screen, you can open recent tabs and then long press on the application like this. After that, select open in split screen view. Okay, and then you can open other application you need. Well, that's the tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.